Hello, in front of me I've got Cubot P50. In this video I'll show you how to manage Google Wallet. In the beginning, let's go to Wallet. And as you can see from the homepage of this app, you can add payment cards and different types of cards like Transport Pass, Loyalty and Gift Card. If you go to Menu, you've got access to wallet tips, like learn how to add to wallet, learn more about wallet, learn how to pay contactless and Gmail settings. Then you can go to contactless setup, where you can turn on NFC, set up payment card, check if Google Pay is set as your default, if you've got a lock screen set, and if your phone meets security requirements. Next, you can check full list of participating banks. Manage your data in wallet, like payments data and passes data. Check password manager. And in wallet settings, you can manage payments profile, add passes from Gmail, enable or disable review purchases, updates about your passes, and updates from Wallet and Google Pay. Then you can go to Help and Feedback, and in the end you've got access to your Google accounts. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.